A beautiful new home with all the desirable amenities awaits you in the lakes of Leo Creek. Step inside the open great room featuring a stunning fireplace with picture windows on each side and a beautiful tray ceiling. The kitchen is every cook's delight with a large island, breakfast bar, granite countertops and backsplash, and maple cabinets. The eat-in dining area offers a great space to gather and enjoy meals with friends and family. Just off of the kitchen is a walk-in pantry and the laundry room. The master bedroom has a cathedral ceiling and a door to the veranda, making this space the perfect retreat to wind down after a long day. Step outside and enjoy cool fall evenings on the screened-in porch. Add a fire pit to the covered veranda and it will become your favorite spot to spend evenings warming up by the fire and making s'mores. This home includes various notable features, including a porcelain tile shower, custom closets, and a larger garage with utility sink, to name just a few. Come and check out everything this home has to offer by scheduling a showing with Elizabeth Urschel today.